Hey John, I'm cooking some spaghetti. Think spaghetti fine?
Yeah, depends on how long it is in millimeters.
In millimeters? All I have is inches.
Mario, you ever heard of something I like to call the metric system? Well, let me show you how to use the metric system. Mario, do you see any millimeters on this ruler? I know I don't. Hello, I'm Jonathan Scott, and I'm going to teach you, all of you, how to use the most efficient measurement system in the world, the metric system. With the metric system, it's easy to start with the basics. A handy mnemonic device we scientists commonly use is KHDWDCM. King Henry died while drinking chocolate milk. This stands for the basic metric units we all frequently use. The K stands for kilo, the H stands for hecto, the D stands for deca, the other D stands for deci, the C stands for centi, and the M stands for milli. Finally, we have the W. This is the base unit. For example, we have meters, liters, and grams. These units are the suffix of the metric terms said before. As an example, we can have millimeter, milligram, or milliliter. For our case, we are going to be working with meters. This piece of spaghetti is 0.257 meters long. This system we have here works well because all you have to do is multiply or divide by units of 10. In even more simple terms, we can start our number at the base unit and move its decimal point as we move along the letters. We move it once to the right when we multiply by 10, and we do it again and again until we get to the M. We end with 257 millimeters. And we can check our answer of 257 by using a metric ruler. Right here we have the spaghetti against the ruler, and we can count through the centimeters. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So we have 25 centimeters here, so that is 250 millimeters, 255 millimeters, and 2 more, so we have 257 millimeters. With the metric conversions we learned today, we can figure out any unit length of this piece of spaghetti. If we take our base of 2.57 meters we had earlier and divide by 10 3 times, we will see how many kilometers this piece of spaghetti is. This noodle right here is 0.000257 kilometers long. Wow.
Wow, John, that was really interesting. Should we cook this for dinner?
Yeah, 257 is a pretty good number.
Yeah. Time for dinner.